Stop. Stop.
On May 9th, 2025, in Ohio, police conducted a traffic stop and found a woman with warrants. When they tried to arrest her, she completely lost control.
Stop walking. You.
Oh, I'm sorry. For what?
Do you want to take the dog?
No, wait, hold up. What did I do?
You have some warrants.
I don't have any warrants in my name. For one, my name's not Miranda.
Put your hands behind your back.
My name is not Miranda.
Turn around.
No, no, I just got out of the hospital today. I cannot breathe. I want an ambulance now.
Okay, well, you'll get an ambulance.
No, I just got off life support. You don't understand. I just got off life support today. Listen, I'm not sure. My name is not Miranda. I literally just...
Put your hands behind your back. You have warrants and you know it.
No, I don't. If someone didn't even know my name. You just called me Miranda. That's my sister.
What's your name then?
My name is Mariah Smith. My birthday is 6/8/1991. I swear to God, Miranda is my sister.
Stand up.
Listen, I put it on. Look at my f***ing ID.
Stand up.
Look at my ID.
Okay,
my name is Mariah.
Stand up.
Miranda is my sister.
Where's your ID?
I don't. You can look it up. You know you can't. Look it up.
How old are you?
I'm 30.
I did look it up. Your picture pops up with it.
I swear to God, my name is Mariah Smith. You called me Miranda. That is my sister. I swear to God.
Okay.
Look on my picture. Miranda is my sister.
Do you want to cooperate a little bit then?
Oh my God, yeah, but
Okay.
I'm sick. I just got out of the
47.
hospital. Like, this is insane right now. Oh my God, this is
29.
I know you can look up my ID.
Well, I need you to cooperate with me to be able to do that. And you don't want to do that. You wanted an ambulance, so I have one coming for
It
you.
wasn't because you can't. For one, I didn't even know you were talking to me.
And that's why you responded when I said it?
You said Miranda, that's my sister.
And you go, what? Oh, no, I'm going to keep walking.
Because I wasn't sure if you were talking to me because you said Miranda.
Okay.
You said Miranda. That is my
Stand.
sister.
Do you want to start cooperating then?
What do you
Because
want
I can't go to my car and run you and have you sit here. So you're going to have to stand up.
Okay, no problem. Can you grab my phone for me so it's not sitting here on the ground?
Yeah. But like I said, I'm going to need you to work with me so I can work with you. Like, we could have avoided a lot of this from happening right from the start.
Behind me like that. I was literally doing it. I was told I had to walk away, and then you come up on me, and then you call me Miranda. So I wasn't even sure if you were even.
Do you have
talking
anything
to me.
illegal on you?
No.
I mean, why? I don't understand. Like, why are you giving such a hard time on a traffic stop, and you want to immediately just be disrespectful right off the rip?
How was I being disrespectful? She called me. She told me I was on a scrapper list.
I mean, she's
I'm
not.
not on a scrapper list, dude. I'm not. I've never been on no scrapper list. I've never even scrapped before.
Alrighty.
Take care of the one.
That hurts nothing.
All right, we're going to get Miranda. Goodbye.
Yeah.
Now she swallowed dope.
Yeah, now she 2 grams of fentanyl, she said.
So misrep, now tampering. I didn't get misrep because, for one, I didn't misrep shit. I didn't misrep shit. Okay, now you're getting a felony. I don't care. Take me to the hospital, please.
All right. Yeah, we're done. Let's just get her to the hospital.
I don't get it.
I told
I
you.
didn't do nothing wrong. For real. I was doing nothing wrong. For real. Why did I get stopped?
I told
And
you.
then you let him walk away
The
with
warrant.
my dog. But I
didn't let him walk away with your dog because I have to deal with you that's doing this.
I swear to God. Please.
When you're done talking, I can explain it.
I'm really trying not to do nothing wrong. I really wasn't.
All right, we can start correcting some of our actions now. You want to start correcting some of them?
You gotta be quiet so he can explain to you.
Yeah. That is my baby. This dog is my everything. That dog is literally reason. That dog is my everything, and he just walked away with that guy.
You're talking to 2 extremely dog people.
That's my baby.
There's so many other actions that lead up to
I know, but I really wasn't doing nothing wrong. I was just getting a ride. You lied about your name. That guy just looks at me with my dog. Please find my dog, okay? Please find my
That's
dog.
what's making me believe she's lying.
Please find my dog.
It is her. Miranda Satry.
Please find my dog. Please find my dog.
Your dog. Hold on.
No,
Here, just point your finger.
I don't know.
Just point your finger. No.
Please find my dog.
Look, you said you wanted to do this. We have to do this before we can find your dog.
You know what it's going to be.
No, I'm just saying. No, it's not.
You already know it's back. Please find my dog.
Here, point your
Then
finger, okay?
you want to just you can at any time tell me the truth of who you are.
Just point your finger.
I tried. I think I just
We're fine. We're fine. Just
You
point your
can't
finger here.
just do this and we can talk all night.
No, we just need to know. Listen. What's your first name? What's your first name? What kind of dog is it?
He's a Chihuahua, and I got him after my son
Like,
died.
where did it go? Like, did it take off out of the house?
No, he walked away with the guy.
What color? Put your finger out here first. Just put your finger out real quick. It's up to you. I mean,
All right, that's just me. Look, before I even asked to do this. So I want to hear you. No, stop. I want to hear you tell me.
I swear to God, I wasn't trying to do nothing wrong.
I just want you to tell me the truth. Who are you?
You know who I am.
I want you to tell me.
Alright. You know who I am. Please don't make me. I can't go to jail right now. I need to set some safe spaces up first. I'm not doing nothing wrong.
You have to stay still, okay?
No. Stop.
No.
Stop. Right now. Stop.
No. No.
Do you have a rap?
No.
My car's not here.
No.
Can you call for a rap too?
Please. No. 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 I got him. I got him. Please.
Hold up.
Stop. Right now. Stop it.
Alright, well that solidifies the rap.
Why are you acting like this?
No, they won't. Can we get her some ketamine and then we'll sit for 2 hours and then we'll take her when something much easier.
She needs something to calm down. So either I'm gonna give it or you guys need to give it.
Please, I beg you. No!
Yeah, that's the interruption. If you're not going
No, stop. I'll stop.
This is the one and only.
No. I want to stop. I swear to God, I'll stop.
Cut through.
Please, I'll stop. I don't want to go. Listen, I'll stop. I will stop. Please.
Hey, watch when that comes off.
Yeah.
No, I don't want
We need to put you under restraint. You cooperate. You got one chance and one chance only. You understand that? Then you're going to sit up. Well, you're already in behavioral. Depending on how you get out of here is up to you.
Hold on. What's your name?
Miranda, I want to talk to you right quick.
I could leave yesterday.
So listen.
They said I could leave yesterday, and I have to.
You need to put your hands behind your back. Don't let go. Okay, we're going to put your hands behind your back, okay? So you're going to go to jail. You have to. Raise this up. Which one? This one? You want those bracelets off? Yeah.
No, don't stop suffocating.
You're good.
They're crisscross. You have to crisscross. Come on. This is gonna be a pain. It goes under her. Her legs have to lift up.
It's usually not in the same like this.
We're in the patient gonna be taken.
You got set up there.
Okay. Connery. 1665 and 1657 are in service.
Right here. You want to put your hand in?
I just got to go place before
Right here.
2 days ago.
You know, put your hand. You can breathe.
Use the handle, we'll just slide right down this bed. Everybody ready?
1, 2, 3.
Ready?
I'm gonna get stuck.
You're good.
Get close.
Can you push?
Well, I can't. No, Sarge,
You're gonna have to pull. I'm stuck.
There. You guys good? That time?
One fine.
Hey, Miranda. Let you know if you have anything on you that these officers didn't find, you're going to get charged with conveyance charge. Okay? Listen, you can stop acting like this and start acting like an adult, okay? You got to go to jail. Just stop.
Amanda, so listen, look at me. Akron's gonna leave, and you're gonna be with us.
She's like
Okay?
banging
We
her
wanna
head
get
off
you
everything
out.
as possible. Is she,
Can you do that for me?
ingested any drugs or anything? No, she was on a traffic stop and she misrepped. And then she started behaving this way when they're like, hey, you need to go to county. They took her to hospital to get her cleared. And then they called for the,
So she came from the hospital. You guys have hospital papers?
I think so. They do. She's been in their custody for over 3 hours.
You guys had her at the hospital?
Yeah, they cleared her medically.
You got papers?
I don't think they have.
Yeah, we need papers.